Yep, fish on.
Doug literally walked to the exact spot I was at, and I came to rig something else. And as soon as he cast out here, he got hit by a decent sized something. On these ultralight rods, it's hard to tell, but looks like another little shellcracker. Is that the exact same one?
No.
No, he's a little smaller. That's a good looking fish, man.
I gotta grab the pliers real quick.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh, you're good. You're good. I was trying to hurry up and get him off, and I couldn't get him out.
Oh.
You're totally fine. I didn't know
Hey,
you
buddy.
were out here.